Hey guys, I am Miss Deb. I am a baby, toddler, preschool music specialist and author, a children's songwriter. I do lots of stuff. And because I do so much stuff, I need a wonderful place to put it all so I don't lose everything that I do. Like, I'm working on about 10 projects at the same time. So I need a place to store all my stuff and have easy access no matter what time of day it is. Do you need easy access to your stuff? Well, I'm going to tell you today about a free program, yes, absolutely free, that you can set up for yourself and become organized. Well, I won't guarantee you'll be organized, but you will be much more organized than you were before. So let me show you ASANA. Here we are, asana.com, ASANA.com. It's easy. How to start using Asana? Just sign up for a free account. Now, if you go to my Asana, oh my gosh, it's such a mess. Okay, well, it's not really a mess. It's a very highly organized mess, okay? So as you can see, I have all kinds of stuff. To-do lists and this and that. And you know, my biggest thing, let's just go to this one, Deb's Content Planner. In here, you will find a million other things that I've also organized in each one of this. Like, see here, piano books. These are the books that I'm currently writing or I had an idea for. So I go ahead and I write those ideas in there. Sing me a story. I'm a YouTuber, so I've got some special stuff that, you know, booking dates. I gotta keep track of everybody who I'm writing songs for. There are so many things. Oh, a menu plan. Come on, we're teachers. We don't have time to cook, right? Blog topics. You know, if you're bored and you have nothing to do but you want to cross something off your list and have some social media to post, then just hop on here, pick something off your list, and bam, it is done. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. Landing pages. You know, there's so much stuff. Now, if you go, oh, you can't see around there. Let's just move me over here. And then you can see all along the side how everything is organized. You have a spot for your favorites. You've got all of your projects over here on the side. Okay, so let me just look at something that I know you guys are going to find really helpful. I'm going to go and find frequent links. So if I click on my frequent links page, it shows me, okay, somebody's posted something on a Facebook group and I want to quickly give them that link to my video. Or maybe you are looking for a video that you lost that somebody recommended to you. You can always link them in each of these. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so let me just show you. So here's, oh, this is where I find my teachers page. So I can just go ahead and I can copy and paste, and then I can just put it up in my address bar, and voila, it was quick to get there and easy. Let's go back to Asana. So in order to make yourself these little folder kind of thingies, super easy. All you do after you've set up your free account, you look down to the bottom where it says product and you click that plus sign, click, and we are going to use a template. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and I'll move myself over again so you can see me. Maybe I'll move, I can't move you over there, I'm too big. I might be able to make myself smaller. Yeah, I can. There we go. All right, choose a template. Well, I'm not going to use a template. I'm just going to do a blank project. So I'm just going to go like that. Let's say our project is piano stuff. I think I already have a folder named this, so I'm just going to say piano stuff for me. And then I'll remember what this is for. Okay, and we are just going to make it as a list. Continue. Go to project. So now you're going to see it come up here in just a second. Now we can add a task. Okay, so when it comes to your schedule, let's say that. Let's say teaching schedule. So this will be at your fingertips. Now the thing that I love about Asana is it is web-based. So you can hop on your PC, you can hop on your tablet, you can hop on your phone. So no matter what time of day, you can input this information, or you can look at this information and access it and copy and paste and share and all kinds of stuff. So teaching schedule, that's what I want to do. So you see it's a task. Now if I click on that task, look at that. You can still change the title if you decide you don't like that title anymore. But here's the part that's the best, the description. Add what you want. Okay, so let's say we're going to do Mondays, okay? Mondays. Now I'm going to say from 3 o'clock to 3:30, and let's just pretend that is Molly's lesson time, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. And maybe that's Ben's time, and such, and so on. Keep going, keep filling in your whole schedule, and then you have it right at the tip of your fingertips every day, right? Tuesday, I can't type, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever days you teach, put your schedule in there, and you can access that anytime and know, oh, so-and-so is coming at this time, okay? What's another thing that piano teachers need? Missed lessons. So must make these up. I don't do makeups, but some teachers do. So if you are a teacher who does makeup lessons, then this one is for you. You can put in Molly missed, and we'll write that down. Maybe she missed December 14th. And then makeup, scheduled, and then you could put the date of when you scheduled the makeup lesson and stuff like that. You could also make just a separate folder for each student. So Molly, and then that way, every time Molly has her piano lesson, you can keep a note, and you can keep adding notes every time that she comes for a lesson. You can come into this folder anytime and open up any one of those lists and put new descriptions, update them, delete them, change them around, add some bold or italic. You can even link files, like something that you would print off the internet. If you had a link to go to get a PDF or to purchase something, you could do that too. So maybe Molly has a folder, Ben has a folder, what about Michael? He needs a folder, and Alex, and so on. So you get the idea that that's really important. What about Christmas recital songs? Hey, how about that? Do you ever forget which songs your students are playing for the Christmas recital and you're assigning them to everybody? And oh no, I can't remember if Molly's playing Jingle Bells or if she's playing Away in a Manger, and we don't want to have two people playing the same song at the same level, and da-da-da-da-da. So you can keep track of that kind of stuff on your list. Of course, then there's, stuff to buy. Maybe you have a bunch of purchases that you want to make this month or upcoming in the future. This Asana is such an amazing tool. So you don't want to just have piano stuff. Maybe you have other folders like certificates, and then you can keep links to all of your certificates in here. You keep links to your resumes. You can have notes for songs that you want to write. You could have notes for books that you have, or books that you need to purchase, or books that you lent out. Let's do that. Library. We need a library. Whoopsie. Library checkouts. So you can keep track of Molly borrowed silver bells. Funny, I've never had a student named Molly before. Just added her in there. All right, so there we are. This is Asana, and isn't it awesome? Can you imagine the possibilities for you and your studio? Post below in the comments about what you are most excited about using Asana for. Do you already use Asana? Or maybe you haven't tried it out yet? Try it out. I guarantee you are going to love this program, and it is going to be such a valuable resource for your studio. Okay, happy teaching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.